Folks, I'm Jim Ferguson with Land Guys. I'm outside of Watseka, Illinois in Iroquois County at a beautiful 151 acre farm that we're excited to bring to market. As you can see behind me, it's got a luxury hunting lodge, complete with appointments such as solid surface countertops, in-floor heat, beautiful cabinetry. There's 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. Getting back to the hunting on this property, you're about to see the quality of the animals that are on this farm from trail cam history and hunting pictures. Just like this buck here, I mean, what a beautiful animal taken recently off of this farm. These are the type of caliber of bucks that are consistently on this farm. In addition to the luxurious living space in this 65 by 40 barn dough is this completely finished and beautiful workshop area. It's got a walk-in cooler, a bathroom, washer dryer, in-floor heat, and also in-floor drains. Perfect area to be able to come in and get out of the elements. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video of this truly one-of-a-kind property. Feel free to call, text, or email me. My contact information is below.